Welcome to Green AgriVision, where we explore the transformative power of regenerative agriculture. In today's video, we delve into the topic of regenerative agriculture, focusing on how it restores soil health and biodiversity. Join us as we uncover the principles and practices that are revolutionizing farming and paving the way for a sustainable future. Our planet faces numerous environmental challenges, from soil degradation to loss of biodiversity. However, regenerative agriculture offers a promising solution. It goes beyond sustainable practices by actively replenishing the resources we use, ultimately restoring ecosystems and creating a harmonious balance between agriculture and nature. Section 1. Understanding regenerative agriculture. So, what exactly is regenerative agriculture? At its core, it's a holistic approach that focuses on regenerating and revitalizing the soil, rather than simply sustaining it. It involves a range of practices that enhance soil health, increase biodiversity, and promote ecosystem resilience. Building healthy soil. Regenerative agriculture places great emphasis on building and maintaining healthy soil. By implementing practices such as cover cropping, composting, and minimizing soil disturbance, farmers work to enhance soil structure, improve water retention, and promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms. This not only supports plant health but also increases the soil's ability to sequester carbon, mitigating climate change. Enhancing biodiversity. Narrator, voiceover. Regenerative agriculture celebrates biodiversity as a key component of a thriving ecosystem. By incorporating diverse crop rotations, creating habitat corridors, and conserving natural areas, farmers encourage the return of beneficial insects, birds, and wildlife. This ecological balance helps control pests naturally, reduces the reliance on chemical inputs, and contributes to overall ecosystem resilience. Section 2. Practical implementation of regenerative practices. Now that we understand the principles of regenerative agriculture, let's explore some practical implementation strategies that farmers can adopt. Agroforestry. Agroforestry integrates trees or shrubs with agricultural crops, creating a synergistic system that provides multiple benefits. Trees offer shade, windbreaks, and contribute organic matter to the soil, while crops can thrive in the modified microclimate. This approach enhances biodiversity, improves soil health, and provides additional income streams for farmers. No-till farming. No-till farming minimizes soil disturbance by avoiding traditional plowing and tillage practices. Instead, farmers utilize specialized equipment to plant seeds directly into undisturbed soil. This helps preserve soil structure, reduces erosion, and enhances water infiltration, all while promoting beneficial soil organisms. Section 3. Impact and future of regenerative agriculture. The impact of regenerative agriculture extends far beyond individual farms. Let's explore the broader implications and future potential of this transformative approach. Climate resilience. Regenerative agriculture plays a crucial role in building climate resilience. By sequestering carbon in the soil through practices like cover cropping and diverse crop rotations, regenerative farmers help mitigate the impacts of climate change. This not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions but also enhances the soil's capacity to withstand extreme weather events, such as droughts and floods. Water conservation. Another significant benefit of regenerative agriculture is its positive impact on water conservation. By improving soil health and structure, regenerative practices enhance water infiltration and retention. This helps prevent soil erosion, reduces runoff, and replenishes groundwater supplies. In regions prone to water scarcity, regenerative agriculture offers a sustainable approach to optimize water usage and maintain ecosystem balance. Section 4. Success stories and future potential. Regenerative agriculture has gained momentum worldwide, with numerous success stories highlighting its transformative potential. Let's explore a few examples and consider the future possibilities. Farm-to-table sustainability. Regenerative agriculture aligns with the growing consumer demand for sustainable, locally sourced food. By adopting regenerative practices, farmers can cultivate nutrient-dense, flavorful crops that resonate with conscious consumers. This direct connection between farmers and consumers fosters community engagement, supports local economies, and promotes a healthier food system. Scaling up and policy support. As the benefits of regenerative agriculture become more evident, there is a growing need for scaling up these practices. This requires supportive policies, funding, and knowledge sharing among farmers, researchers, and policymakers. By incentivizing regenerative practices and providing the necessary resources, governments and organizations can accelerate the adoption of regenerative agriculture and drive positive change at a larger scale. In conclusion, regenerative agriculture holds immense promise for restoring soil health and biodiversity. By implementing practices that prioritize soil regeneration and ecosystem resilience, farmers can contribute to a sustainable and thriving future. Join us on our journey as we continue to explore innovative approaches and share inspiring stories from the forefront of regenerative agriculture.